What is going on, everybody? Today I have an unboxing for you. This is an INIU 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack, and we are about to unbox this thing. So without any further ado, let's go. So just for context, I picked this up from an Amazon locker just down the road from me. So now it's time to slice this thing open. All right. Love the packaging. I'm just going to throw the box down there. The Safe Fast Charge Pro Powerbank BI-B5. Or is it? Yeah, BI-B5. Yeah, nice packaging. Definitely retail worthy. 3-year warranty. Excellent. So, here. This is the product. And whoa, this thing is thick. I mean, I saw other reviews and I saw how thick it was, but now I see it. And actually, I'm holding it. Okay. Lovely content. So here it is. Looks like you've got a light or an infrared sensor there. 83%. Oh, double tap and you get a flashlight. That is awesome. I love that. Alright, we're just going to put that to the side. A little welcome guide. Put that to the side. And as you do with most power banks, you get yourself a little bag thingy. No cable, which is interesting. Actually, no, wait, I lied. Here's the cable. Of course, Google's gonna talk to me. Why wouldn't Google talk to me? Shut up, Google. Quality content. And here's the cable. And we're going to place that to the side. Apparently they cover it with this plastic thing. By the way, I appreciate the fact that they put in USB Type-C. USB A to C. Good job. And yeah, that's an unboxing. And that's everything right there. So I'm going to be doing a review on this. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitch as well, as I will be streaming there. Also follow me on Twitter and Discord, as we'll be posting there more. Take care. Bye-bye, everybody.